NXP is a semiconductor designer and manufacturer company with headquarters in Netherlands. NXP has 34,000 team members in 30 plus countries with a revenue of 13.2 billion in year 2022. With NXP's focus on innovation and total quality, we're enabling breakthrough technologies which are making the connected world better, safer, and more secure. At the same time, NXP is delivering the solutions that advance a more sustainable future for the humanity. Traditionally, the quality is supported by analysis of the data of the past events or something that happened in the past, and we are using the quality tools, and then we're trying to prevent the occurrence of the defects or the issues that happened in the past. When it comes to the advanced data analysis, then it changes to the real-time analysis of up-to-date information for precise and accurate prediction of quality outcomes before and during the mass production. So that's a game changer. Data analytics is empowering our ability to predict and prevent the issues upfront. Epoxy mold compound encapsulation, which is used for packaging of the semiconductor devices. This is manufactured using stainless steels and other engineering grade metals. Sometimes the epoxy compound may have particles which may be trapped between the bone wires, and they may cause a short circuit event during the field application or during the reliability testing of the semiconductor devices. Typically, this is a sub-ppm event. In the past, there was no effective predict and prevent function working to stop this kind of sub-ppm baselines or few ppm excursions. So NXP decided to formulate a project team, and it leveraged the NXP's EDMAC approach for problem solving. The E refers to elimination, and DMAC means define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. We collaborated with the suppliers. We utilized failure mode and effects analysis, quality function deployment, innovation, industry best practices, and the predictive analytics using the GEM Pro. And by doing all this, we were able to achieve the zero defect status for this particular defect mode. Cost savings were more than $250,000 per year. And there was a significant recognition by the automotive customers of NXP. GEM is a very phenomenal tool, I would say. It's an analytical tool which is used across all disciplines. GEM is also extremely helpful for making predictions of quality and generating insights on reliability improvements of the semiconductor products. The next level of the challenge towards the zero defect manufacturing is to drive beyond modeling of current performance for improving detection of unidentified signals, issues, or unknown risks. At the same time, we have a word of caution that we have to balance the model complexity and the model interpretability. As we achieve a handshake, we are able to identify the knobs which we can turn around and then drive the corrective and preventive actions in the manufacturing process and ensure we have enhanced quality of the products that we deliver. Zero defect is a commitment to support the vision of the companies in the supply chain and to serve humanity. Zero defect, zero waste, zero emissions, these are the requirements to meet. I wish to emphasize the key to achieve zero defect manufacturing is the integration of the innovation, total quality, advanced analytics-based problem solving. The best-in-class manufacturers, the best of academia have to come together and drive the creativity and total quality. What that would lead to is delivering of excellent product and highest customer satisfaction.